Hello everyone, Alex here from Prêt pour la route. Today's video is going to be an install and review video of the EasyTouch by Microair. The EasyTouch is a Wi-Fi touchscreen RV thermostat and the install is very easy. So this is my old thermostat made by Dominic and there's only just one wire. It looks like a telephone wire. You just have to plug it in and it works. So you just have to unscrew the old thermostat, you just put in 2 new screws, you plug in your wire and you're good to go. My girlfriend and I have been on the road for the last 4 years now, traveling with our 2 dogs, and one of our main concerns has always been the temperature inside of our trailer when we leave the dogs and go away. And we've been looking for a similar solution to the one we had at our house with the Nest thermostat and never found anything for our RV. Microair's EasyTouch is really the solution we were looking for. So as long as there's Wi-Fi inside of the trailer, I'm able to control all of the features of my old thermostat with the new EasyTouch. So I can just pop my phone out, open the EasyTouch app, and just go select the trailer here. And then I can set the temperature, I can control the AC, or I can put it in the automatic mode. I can control the heat pump or the furnace. And everything's very straightforward. It's easy to control everything. Another feature that I like is that I'm able to see the inside and the outside temperature of the trailer, so I'm able to adjust it to make sure that the dogs are comfortable when we leave them in the trailer. If you don't have a Wi-Fi signal inside of your RV, you can still connect to the EasyTouch by using the Bluetooth connection. So as long as you're near the thermostat, you'll be able to control all of the features. So let's say you're laying in your bed and you want to lower the temperature, you just connect to Bluetooth and then you just lower the temperature. So it's as easy as that. The EasyTouch will work whether you have a single or a multi-zone system, and there's an iPhone and Android app. If you have any question about the product, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you on the road.